Car up on the hoist. We listen and we don't judge. Good. What the fuck? Where's that? Uh-huh. It's not even connected at all.
No.
I thought it was cracked.
No. How am I supposed to?
That is terrible, dude.
I know. When I hit a bump, you can hear it go.
I bet.
And that's the only thing stopping it from it falling.
What is this? What's going on here?
I don't know what happened there. I think that probably hit an animal.
How many?
Couple.
Terrible, dude. You need to undercoat this thing.
I know. I should probably do that while it's up there.
Yep. It's terrible. You know what's good for this car? Gasoline and a lighter.
Fuck no.